What should I do if I forget my Xbox Live Gamertag?
Hello there, gamers. Today, we're tackling a common issue in the Xbox community. What do you do if you forget your Xbox Live Gamertag? Don't fret, because we have all the steps you need to retrieve it, so let's jump right in.
Why is my gamertag important?
Your Xbox Live Gamertag is crucial for your gaming experience. It's your unique identifier on Xbox Live, serving as your online name and identity. Losing it can be a hassle, but don't worry, Microsoft provides methods for you to retrieve it.
Retrieving your gamertag through a console.
If you have access to an Xbox console, you're in luck. Here's how you can retrieve your gamertag. 1. Turn on your Xbox console and press the Xbox button to open the guide. 2. Navigate to the Profile and System tab and select Add or Switch. 3. Now, select Add New and enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. 4. Upon signing in, your Xbox Live Gamertag should be displayed.
Retrieving your gamertag through a PC.
If you don't have access to a console, you can still retrieve your gamertag through a PC. 1. Go to the Microsoft website. 2. At the top right, select Sign In and enter the email address tied to your Microsoft account. 3. After signing in, hover over your profile picture at the top right. Your gamertag should be displayed here.
What if I've forgotten the email associated with my account?
If you can't remember the email associated with your Xbox Live account, try to recover it through the Microsoft website. 1. Click on Sign In, then on Forgot My Username. 2. Follow the prompts to enter a contact email or phone number linked with your Microsoft account. 3. If successful, you'll receive an email or SMS with the information about your usernames. And that's all there is to it. With these methods, you should be able to retrieve your Xbox Live Gamertag with ease. Happy gaming, and always remember to keep your account details in a safe place. Until next time.